Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
With your headphones. We also chose a in-ear design because it minimizes the external interference of the sound, which allows the music to be a lot more crisp and have deeper bass. Over the last
Introducing Selflash, the world's first cross-platform smart light ring. Flash, light, charge, store, and play back using your mobile device. Selflash has been designed to work with iOS, Android, and Windows devices using its interchangeable connectors. Simply plug it in, then hold your device up to take the perfect selfie. Available in both plastic and metal housing, the sleek 360-degree color-adjustable light ring works as a flash or as a constant light source at the touch of a button. The built-in Selflash battery means you can use the Lightning or micro USB adapters to charge your phone in an emergency. And with the addition of the Selflash app, you can store
This upgraded version, the Quick Touch 1 Pro. How great is it? Zap Quick Touch 1 Pro has all the great features from previous mount models and more. It's sleek and compact, so it looks great in your car. What I really enjoy about this model is the innovative locking system. Mounting is now easier than ever with a Quick Touch mounting system. Lock and release your device with just a touch of a finger. To install, simply peel the protective film from the suction pad and press down. You can place it on your windshield or dashboard. Press the release buttons into locking position and place your device inside the mount firmly. You can also adjust the feet to get your desired height. This activates the Quick Touch Pro locking system automatically, holding your device in place. Now you can safely place your mobile without worrying about a secure fit. It has an anti-fall lock mechanism and shock stabilizers, so no humps and bumps will dislodge your device. You can also turn the adjustable knob to extend the telescopic arm to a comfortable length. It can also rotate to 180 degrees so you can adjust the cradle to your angle of choice. Absolutely safe, versatile, and highly functional. My current